Jordan B. Peterson once said, "If you think tough men are dangerous, wait until you see what weak men are capable of." In today's world, where chaos seems to be a normality, how do we navigate our way through the struggles of modern society without losing our way? Join us as we dive deep into Peterson's insights on order, chaos, and the path to personal strength in an increasingly turbulent world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get more thought-provoking content. And also, if you've noticed, I've dropped the AI voice and will pursue it with my own voice. Hope you all enjoy. Jordan B. Peterson, a renowned clinical psychologist and professor, has become one of the most influential thinkers of our time. Known for intertwining psychological concepts with ancient wisdom to address the complexities of modern life, while not a Stoic in the traditional sense, Peterson's teachings often echo Stoic principles, emphasizing resilience, personal responsibility, and the pursuit of meaning over happiness. His approach provides a roadmap for navigating the chaos that appears in the modern world. Peterson's philosophy is deeply informed by a broad array of historical texts, from classical mythology to biblical stories, believing that these narratives hold fundamental truths about human nature and society. He argues that the lessons from these ancient sources are not only historically significant, but also immensely relevant today. They offer insights into handling life's challenges, advocating for a life lived with a purpose and discipline, which closely aligns with Stoic philosophy. In today's fast-paced, often disorientating global culture, Peterson's application of these timeless teachings insists that understanding our roles within broader narratives helps us manage the chaos that surrounds us. He promotes the idea that personal responsibility and ethical living are crucial in forming not only individual character, but also in stabilizing society at large. Through his lectures, books, and interviews, Peterson challenges individuals to confront their personal and collective chaos head-on, using Stoic wisdom as a guide to develop their inner strength needed to face life's unpredictability. His call to adopt a personal responsibility and seek deeper meaning in life resonates with a broad audience, offering a way to find order in the chaos of the modern age. In today's chaotic world, individuals grapple with a variety of challenges that can erode mental health and overall well-being. One of the most common struggles is anxiety, which manifests as a response to the relentless pace and pressures of modern life. The constant barrage of information, the rapid technological advancements, and the social expectation to stay perpetually connected that contributes to an ever-growing sense of anxiety among people of all ages. Uncertainty is another significant challenge that people face. The future seems increasingly unpredictable, with economical fluctuations, political instability, and environmental concerns casting a shadow over everyday life. This uncertainty can lead to a paralysis of decision-making, where individuals feel stuck, unable to plan or make informed choices about their careers, relationships, and personal goals. Additionally, a lack of direction is a common issue in a world where traditional paths to success and fulfillment are constantly changing or being called into question. Many find themselves questioning the value and relevance of established norms and career paths, leading to a crisis of purpose. We are living in a culture that often values superficial achievements over meaningful pursuits, leaving individuals feeling directionless and disconnected from their deeper personal values and objectives. These struggles, anxiety, uncertainty, and a lack of direction create a complex web of personal and societal challenges that can seem overwhelming. As people navigate this landscape, they often seek tools and philosophies to help regain control and find clarity amidst the chaos. This is where the teachings of thinkers like Jordan Peterson can often offer valuable guidance, advocating for a return to personal responsibility and intrinsic values as a compass in turbulent times. Jordan B. Peterson's teachings often resonate with core Stoic principles, particularly emphasizing self-discipline, resilience, and finding meaning in suffering. These elements are crucial in his approach to navigating the challenges of modern life. Self-discipline is a central theme in Peterson's philosophy. He advocates for structured routines and personal order as antidotes to chaos. According to Peterson, self-discipline involves not only setting goals and expectations, but rigorously adhering to them. These practices foster an environment where individuals can thrive, minimizing the distractions and uncertainties that can lead to stress and anxiety. Peterson's rule, set your house in order before you criticize the world, underscores the importance of managing one's internal life as a precursor to engaging effectively with external challenges. Resilience is another key aspect of Peterson's adaptation of Stoic ideals. He believes in the human capacity to endure hardships and bounce back stronger. Peterson encourages embracing challenges as an opportunity for growth, suggesting that individuals can build resilience by voluntarily confronting what they fear or what causes them pain. This aligns with the Stoic practices of turning obstacles into advantages through perception and will. Finally, finding meaning in suffering is perhaps one of the most profound Stoic parallels in Peterson's work. He tells us that life is intrinsically fraught with suffering and that the pursuit of meaning, not happiness, is what can give life its richness and purpose. By finding meaning in suffering, individuals can transcend their difficulties and forge a path that is both fulfilling and impactful. Peterson often uses mythological and religious stories to illustrate how trials and tribulations have historically been catalysts for profound personal transformation and insight. Though through these principles, Peterson not only channels the wisdom of Stoicism, but also adapts it to help modern individuals cultivate strength, purpose, and a peace in a complex world. One particularly powerful anecdote from Jordan B. Peterson that exemplifies the power of Stoicism in overcoming challenges is his discussion of lobsters and their social structures, as detailed in his book 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos. Peterson uses the behavior of lobsters, which is driven by serotonin levels similar to those in humans, to draw parallels with human social hierarchies and self-perception. Peterson describes how lobsters, after losing a battle, can become withdrawn and their serotonin levels drop. The opposite occurs in victory, leading to increased confidence and a stronger posture. This change directly impacts their future interactions and social standing. Peterson draws from this to argue that humans too must maintain their posture and composure, particularly through tough times, to influence not only their own perceptions of themselves, but also how they are perceived by others. This lesson underlies a Stoic principle that our external conditions can be less important than how we internally manage and react to those conditions. Peterson suggests that by adopting a responsible, upright posture, both literally and metaphorically, individuals can assert control over their lives, boost their confidence, and improve their circumstances despite external adversities. This powerful metaphor not only teaches us about resilience and the psychological basis of our social interactions, but also encapsulates a broader Stoic message, Maintaining a steadfast and composed demeanor in the face of life's battles can signify influence on our path and progress. Peterson uses this story to inspire resilience, illustrating how embodying Stoic virtues in everyday life can fundamentally alter one's trajectory. Jordan B. Peterson's teachings, while influenced by a variety of psychological and philosophical traditions, distinctly echo the enduring principles of Stoicism. His lessons encouraged the adoption of self-discipline, resilience, and finding profound meaning in life's inevitable suffering. These core tenets form the basis of his advice for confronting the chaos inherent in modern life. Self-discipline, as advocated by Peterson, is not merely about adhering to the routines, but also establishing order in one's external and external worlds. These principles empower individuals to navigate through life's uncertainty with confidence and grace. Peterson stresses that it is through structured self-governance that one can achieve true freedom and personal growth. Resilience, another pillar of his philosophy, is developed through engaging directly with our fears and challenges rather than avoiding them. Peterson illustrates that, like the lobsters, our social and personal standing can improve significantly when we face our difficulties head on, thereby cultivating a robustness that steels us against the struggles of life. Most profoundly, Peterson tells us that life's meaning is not found in the pursuit of mere happiness, but through engaging with our suffering in a way that is constructive and transformative. This search for meaning is what can guide us through the darkest times, providing a beacon where all else seems bleak. By integrating these Stoic lessons into modern life, Peterson provides a framework not only for surviving but thriving amid the chaos of contemporary existence. His teachings remind us that the wisdom of the ancients remains relevant, offering timeless strategies for resilience and fulfillment in our complex world. Through his interpretations, Peterson encouraged us to harness these ancient insights to craft lives of greater purpose and peace. Your viewing is much appreciated. Take care, question everything, and stay stoic. Until next time.